welcome to Jared's Bike Checks. We're covering big miles each day as a way of life. Let's get to it. So I made it to Niceville, Florida, which puts me like 15 miles from the shop. Stopped here in the shade around 3 o'clock, ate my last of my pork chop just in, with the fire roasted. Smoked me a cigarette, get my mind right. Watching some people over here. They're playing frisbee soccer. I had never seen it, but I guess that's a thing. I'm not sure what the rules are. Just throw it or something. There's girls playing with them. So it can't be too tough. Let's take a look at that tire. Yeah, she's about worn out. This will be about 550 miles on it. So I'm gonna throw on another Walmart tire as soon as I get to the shop. It's hanging on the front of the bike there. I'm gonna wait for this one to pop. If it don't, I want to know how far it'd make it. Nope. Faces of meth. Oh yeah. Prime specimen. Y'all can't see that iridescentness. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. My next update should be from me at the shop. Start sending some of these late Saturday, all Sunday videos out today.